first stock idea from Malaysia we have today is Senijaya Corporation Berhad. So despite its current consolidation, a new base building around its 21-day EMA, the uptrend remained intact after it broke from above its downtrend channel. So the recent golden cross where the 50-day EMA crosses above the 200-day EMA, this signals sustained bullish momentum. And additionally, if you look at the trading volume last Friday, you could see a surge in trading volume. So this reinforced that buying interest has increased, which we might see it could break out from its base building soon and might test our next resistance at 0.365. Our second stock idea from Malaysia will be KGTS Group Berhad. So the stock has been in a nice uptrend since October 2024 low as it has maintained its position within this uptrend channel. Yes, it has been in a mild pullback phase, but then it found strong support at 21-day EMA. Its previous four sessions shows a good rebound as the price maintains above the 21-day EMA. We believe this rebound could actually continue given the ADX bullish crossover where the DI plus just crossed above the DI negative. So, and then if you look at the RSI, it is also showing a fresh uptick, showing renewed by interest, potentially halting this previous correction, and we might see it could beat this previous resistance, this current resistance over here. That's it for Malaysia. Next, let's go to Indonesia. So first chart we have is 8KL Corporate Indo. So the stock has actually breached its previous high at 1270 with huge volume. But then again, now it has made a strong bullish reversal move. It has just broke above its cup and handle pattern. If it could maintain above this neckline pattern, we believe a stronger rebound might follow suit. The second stock idea from Indonesia will be Mitra and Adi Perkasa. So the stock also has been in a strong correction, but then it has just made a strong bullish reversal move as well as the previous stock, as it just broke above the rounding bottom pattern. So we believe if it could also maintain above the neckline pattern, a stronger rebound might also follow suit. That's it for Indonesia. Let's go to the Philippines. So the first stock idea we have is LT Group. So the stock has been in a nice uptrend since July 2024 low. And then if you look at February 2025, it has been in a sharp correction, but then it has found a strong support right around the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. The rebound is strong as the price has actually been pushed back above all key moving average lines, and you can see all moving average lines are sloping upwards. And if you look at the RSI as well, from last week, despite the small correction, we could see a fresh uptick in the RSI with room to rise before reaching overbought territory, suggesting that buying momentum could actually persist and continuing its primary uptrend. However, price has to maintain above this blue line, which is the 50-day EMA, which has been acting as a very important support line since November 2024. Second stock idea would be Asian Terminal. So the stock has been in a primary downtrend and it has been trading within the downtrend channel since since October 2024 last year. But then it has just broke above the downtrend channel on February 2025 and managed to continue to trade higher. If you look at the moving average lines, the 21-day EMA is on the verge of crossing above the 50-day EMA, which is a sign of an improved momentum. So we believe if you could take out this 200-day EMA line, the 21-day EMA will also take over the 50-day EMA, which is a sign of bullish confirmation strength. That's it for Philippines. Let's go to Singapore. So first stock idea we have this morning is Pan United Corporation Limited. So the stock has been in a nice uptrend, and last week, despite its mild correction, it has found strong support at its current immediate support line as the price rebounded, and now price is back above the 21-day EMA line. So we could see the current support line is aligned with the 50-day EMA. So we also now know that the 50-day EMA is also now an important support line. I reckon that as long the price maintains above the 50-day EMA line, a stronger rebound might follow suit. But then if you look at the ADX reading, the DI plus has just crossed above the DI negative, which is a good sign of bullish strength. So a stronger rebound might follow suit and could actually test our next resistance at 0.675. Our second stock idea for Singapore will be UL Group Limited. So the stock has been in a downtrend mode as the stock keeps trading below all moving average lines and gyrating between the 21-day EMA. But then recently, last week, it has just broke above the downtrend line with high volume and the price has maintained above it since then. Price also has took out the 200-day EMA, which is a good sign. And if you look at the moving average lines, the 21-day EMA has crossed above the 50-day EMA, which signals a resurgence in bullish momentum. So this is a momentum that we need to that potentially could drive price higher. Additionally, if you look last Friday, there was a surge in trading volume. So we believe and we anticipate as long price maintains above the 200-day EMA, the new uptrend could actually be formed and might test our next resistance at 5.85. Let's go to Thailand. First one we have is International Network System. So the price recently just made a strong gap up and has managed to break above its previous resistance line, now turn support. Price has maintained above this line, and if you look at the moving average line, the 21-day EMA has crossed above the 50-day EMA. And last Friday, it has completed a bullish engulfing pattern, which is a sign that a stronger rebound might follow suit. Next, we have is AP Thailand Public Company. So the stock has just made a strong bullish reversal move as it just took out its falling wedge pattern. Price has since traded higher and has broke above the 200-day EMA, which has pushed price back above all key moving average lines. Just as this previous stock, the 21-day EMA has also just crossed above the 50-day EMA. And also last Friday, it also completed a bullish engulfing pattern. So we could expect that the price could actually continue to trade higher above the 200-day EMA and might actually form a new uptrend that could actually test its next resistance at 9.65. Lastly, let's go to Vietnam. So the first stock idea we have is Hoa Phat Group. So the stock had just broke above its downtrend line with a strong gap up, and you could see the subsequent fluctuations have maintained positive signals, and the price has now broken free from the impact of the correction frame since December 2024, establishing an upward trend with a new high in the past 6 months. Lastly, we have is Power Engineer Consulting. So it has actually made a notable breakout at the beginning of the week, with the price reaching a new high accompanied by significant increase in liquidity. The slight declines, however, throughout the week were accompanied by lower liquidity, indicating the health of the ongoing upward trend in the price. But then overall, the upside remained intact.